my life in hell. Survive in hell, now I reside in hell. And feed corruption to my clientele. Means for making dreams, ill production schemes. The man is raising hell as a swinger pro rebels one time. To feel the rain from behind.
What's up guys, I'm checking out Spirit and this one's titled Nature's Way, requested by Mostly Music. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before and I've heard anything from this group. They appear to be, at least from this album cover, like a 60s or 70s group, probably 60s. Probably started in the 60s and rose to prominence in the 70s, classic. But yeah, I haven't heard anything from them like I just said, so we're gonna do a little bit of research before we hop into this one, but yeah, definitely looking forward to it. And the fact that it's from the compilation album too, I mean, that is definitely like a sure sign that this is a banger, or at least a jammer. But let me see, Spirit group. Here we go, band. All right, let's do this, pull this up, and boom. All right, so Spirit was an American rock band founded in '67, based in Los Angeles. Most commercially successful single, I Got a Line on You. Okay, and they were known for their albums. So, okay. Genre, psychedelia, progressive rock. Okay, I was thinking more like along the lines of folk, just looking at that album cover, but okay. I can definitely see the psychedelia. That I definitely got from that. But let's see. Wait, who? California. So Randy, maybe Jimi Hendrix. Okay, got some experience. Okay. See the discography. Pretty lengthy. Live albums, gotta have them. Compilations, must have them. Must have the compilation albums. The label executives, highly recommended. But yeah, I think that being said, we go ahead and check this one out. And yeah, see what it's about. Spirit, what's it called? Nature's Way. Let's check it out. Sounds like it's gonna be like a super mystical, atmospheric song.
Nature's way, tell you something's wrong. It's nature's way, tell you in a song. It's nature's way of receiving you. It's nature's way of retrieving you.
What is? Sick album cover. nothing to write home about or anything, but yeah, it had a cool little vibe to it. It's nature's way of telling you something's wrong. I think what was he saying? Like the wind, something about the wind and like trees, I think. I don't know. That was interesting. Like a tree is nature's way of telling. I have to look more into this one because I definitely didn't like fully understand what he was saying at moments, but yeah, it definitely seemed to be a pretty, or not a super in-depth song, but like, you know, it had a little layer there. Dying trees, it's in the breeze. It's nature's way of receiving you, retrieving you, telling you something's wrong. It was a cool song. I enjoyed it. But yeah, like I said, nothing too crazy. But yeah, definitely enjoyed that one from Spirit, Nature's Way. And if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.